This week's portion, Naso, is one of the longest of all the weekly portions in the Torah, and it contains, among other things, three very spiritual things that can happen in our life. The first one is a very problematic and very sexist ritual that the husband who suspects his wife of adultery can take his wife to the temple and have her drink this magical formula which would either prove the husband right in his suspicions or prove him wrong. This formula is very problematic, but let's go beyond the sexism of it and understand that it represents family crisis. And this is a formula that represents what families can do, but mainly here in the Torah, what husbands can do if they feel that their marriage is in crisis. Secondly, the Torah portion contains a ritual that one can do to feel more connected to God. One can undertake a Nazirite vow by taking on extra spiritual restrictions to try to, for at least 30 days at a time, to try to feel closer to God. Both of these, the Sotah, the suspected adulteress formula, and the Nazirite, reflect the ideas of how we can respond to the world around us. The world is a fast-paced, tension-filled, crisis-filled world. We deal with the world within our own families, within our own heart, as we try to navigate everything around us. And so we have the Sotah ceremony reflecting how difficult it is to maintain proper love and respect within family. We have the Nazirite vow, which reflects the idea of how we might want to escape the world and try to go inward spiritually. And then finally, the Torah portion has us it teaches us that Aaron and his sons and future descendants are supposed to bless the people in the temple every single day with the threefold blessing, which ends with a blessing for peace. Not everyone went to the temple every day. Not everyone could hear that prayer. But I believe the idea of these three different things in the Torah portion teaches us that if we would only focus on the prayer for peace every single day, then that can help us overcome the family crisis that we might feel or inner turmoil that we might feel to try to escape the world and look for spirituality. If we have a sense of peace, then we can overcome the tension and crisis around us and help solve it and feel more at one and with God and more at one with others around us. Shabbat Shalom.